This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Make this your own. With a few cosmetic repairs and updates, you'll have a spectacular home in an established neighborhood. Great floor plan features 2 bedrooms/1 bath on first floor, 2 bedrooms on second floor, living room, mud room, and large family room. Large backyard, large front porch, deck, and carport. Easy access to I-64, bases, and beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.